Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your blocks pink in Block Blast. To achieve this vibrant look, you must first acquire the exclusive pink dye item. This special dye is the one and only way to transform your game blocks into a beautiful shade of pink. It's a rare find, often appearing during limited-time events, so timing is everything. Get ready to customize your game board like never before. Obtaining the pink dye requires active participation in the game's special Color Rush event. This event typically runs for 1 week each month. You'll need to complete daily challenges and achieve high scores to earn event tokens. Accumulate at least 500 tokens, then visit the exclusive event shop. The pink dye will be listed there for purchase, but remember, it's only available while the event is active. Once you've successfully acquired the pink dye, applying it is straightforward. From the main game screen, simply tap on the customization icon, usually represented by a paintbrush. Within this menu, you'll find an option labeled Block Appearance. Select this, then locate the pink dye in your inventory. With a single tap, your blocks will instantly transform, displaying a beautiful, uniform pink hue across your entire game board. Congratulations! Your blocks are now a stunning shade of pink, making your game experience truly unique. This permanent customization will be visible across all game modes, from casual play to competitive challenges. There's no need to reapply the dye. Once used, it's set. Enjoy playing with your personalized pink blocks and stand out from the crowd. It's a fantastic way to add a touch of personal flair to your Block Blast adventures.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.